Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your FreshBooks, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Stripe account to your FreshBooks? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too much to go over, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to connect your Stripe to your FreshBooks anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that a lot of customers want to pay with credit card, and by connecting your Stripe to your FreshBooks, your customers can click and pay your invoice directly through FreshBooks using their credit card. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your FreshBooks account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now, in order to connect your Stripe account to your FreshBooks, here on the left side, you want to click on payments. It looks like a little wallet icon. Once you do that, you're going to see your payment section, but you want to click on this button here, more actions, on the top right. All right. Once you do that, you'll see these three options and click on this one, accept online payments. All right. Once you do that, you're going to have these two options, FreshBooks payments or PayPal. So FreshBooks payments is actually run by Stripe. So you're going to need to connect your Stripe through FreshBooks in order for this to work. So you want to go ahead and click on the setup button here in green. Okay. Next, Stripe opens up a login screen. So you want to go ahead and use the email address that you have connected to your Stripe. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in here and then click submit. Okay. Next, Stripe is asking me to enter in my password. So this will be the password to your Stripe account, not to your FreshBooks. Okay, next, Stripe sent me a text message to verify that it's me trying to connect my Stripe to my FreshBooks account. So I'm going to grab that code from my cell phone and then enter it in here. Okay, next, Stripe's going to ask you a little bit of questions about your business. So go ahead and answer this. What type of business are you? And then click on continue. Okay, next, in order to continue setting it up, they are going to ask for your full name, your date of birth, home address, phone number, and your social security number. So I'm going to go ahead and enter all that information in off screen. Okay, next, Stripe is going to ask you a little bit about your business before you're allowed to connect your Stripe to your FreshBook. So first you want to select your industry, and then you want to go ahead and write a good description. This will be reviewed by Stripe to see if you get approved to connect your Stripe to FreshBooks. Once you're done with that, go ahead and click on continue. Okay, next you do need to add in your banking information. So when you receive payments through FreshBooks into your Stripe, this is where the money is going to go. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in the routing number, account number, and then confirm the account number for my bank account. Okay, next you have to confirm the customer support number and then also the customer address that they're going to see on your invoices. If all that looks good to you, go ahead and click on continue. Okay, next, Stripe shows you all the information you just entered in, so you want to go ahead and review it. If all looks good, go ahead and click on agree and submit. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see online payments as far as connecting your Stripe to FreshBooks. It's now verification in progress. So now all you need to do is just wait for Stripe to go ahead and approve your account. I already have an account with them, so it should go through pretty quickly. Once it gets approved from Stripe, then my Stripe would be connected to my FreshBooks, so I can go ahead and start receiving credit card payment through my Stripe account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect your Stripe account to your FreshBooks, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.